Eliza. Yeah. Can you stand up? Can you stand up for Mom? Can you stand up? Good job. Good job. Here we go. Okay, stand all the way up. You can do it. Good job. Good job. Oh, so close. That was great. That was so great. Hey. Hey. Oh. Yeah. Hey, peekaboo. Hi. And now for part 2, going to unload the dresser drawers. Oh, there you go, standing up all by himself. Good job. Oh, you're going for a while. Good job. Oh, good job, sweetheart.